Hello everyone, and welcome to our kitchen. Today we are going to share with you a recipe for one of our all-time favorite Indian dishes, Palak Paneer. This dish is not only delicious but also very healthy, as it contains lots of spinach and cottage cheese. So, without further ado, let's get started. Ingredients: 500 grams of fresh spinach leaves, 200 grams of paneer, cottage cheese, 2 medium-sized onions, chopped, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies, chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, salt to taste, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Instructions: To start, wash the spinach leaves thoroughly and blanch them in boiling water for about 2 to 3 minutes. Drain the water and let the spinach cool down for a bit. Once the spinach has cooled, blend it in a mixer to form a smooth puree. In a pan, heat up the oil and add cumin seeds. Once the seeds start to sputter, add the chopped onions and green chilies. Saute the onions until they turn translucent. Add ginger garlic paste and saute for a minute. Add the chopped tomatoes and saute until they become soft and mushy. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and salt. Mix well and saute for a minute. Add the spinach puree to the pan and mix well. Let the mixture cook for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, cut the paneer into small cubes and lightly fry them in a separate pan until they turn golden brown. Add the fried paneer cubes to the spinach mixture and mix well. Finally, add garam masala and let the palak paneer cook for a couple more minutes. Once the palak paneer is cooked, turn off the heat and let it cool down for a bit. Your delicious homemade palak paneer is now ready to be served. Garnish it with some fresh cream or coriander leaves and enjoy. Thank you for watching our video on how to make homemade palak paneer. We hope you enjoyed it and that you will try making this delicious and healthy dish at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes like this one. Until next time, happy cooking!